Big picture, we did have a sell signal about 6 weeks ago below that 428.22 channel bottom, anticipating the 333.59 channel bottom as a 2 to 3 month target. We're almost 2 months into this, really. We did this week test 356.54, which is a 50% downside retracement. We've come off of it nicely. I don't see 428.22 in reach over the next 3 to 5 weeks, but what I do see as in reach quite possibly over the next, well, few days, perhaps 391.35. Now we have this channel top at 406.23, but I do think at least at this stage, 391.33, if tested over the next day or two, can contain weekly highs. As long as we're in this kind of low 390s, as we continue to drop through time, we will probably shift to 406.23. It's a dynamic approach. I will say if we close over the next day or two above 391.35, I do see the 428.22 level in reach within a couple, 2-3 weeks or so. 391.35 is also your short sale over the 1 to 2 week time frame. From here, we can fall back to 356.54. We do have 371.87 still as a soft intraday pivot point. We did not close above it on Tuesday. If we open clearly above 371.87 Wednesday morning, we just might see 391.35 by the end of the day. 391.35 is your profit-taking zone. You can play the short side from there through the week into next week. We could fall back to 356.54 within a week or two of testing 391.35. If over the next day or two we close above 391.35, it is reverse and go long or stay long up to 428.22. Now, we do anticipate a daily high perhaps at 406.23, but once again, at this stage, at this moment, Wednesday, closing above 391.35, expect the upper 420s within a week or two. 428.22, still a level that can contain buying pressures on a monthly basis, and from here, we can fall back into the 330s within a couple of months of testing 428.22. If we, over the next month or so, close above 428.22, you can anticipate the 530s within 3 to 5 months of doing so. But until then, we are still anticipating 333.59. Let's cover the downside. It is this 356.54, 50% downside retracement that has thus far contained weekly selling pressures. We've been mentioning that as a clear-cut possibility for the last few weeks, and that is so far what's happening. But I also, given the fact that we anticipate 333.59, I wouldn't be surprised. Closing below 356.54 does set up 333.59 by the end of next week or sooner. That would complete our objective on this move. A solid zone to cover short positions, reverse and go long. Please click like, share, subscribe.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high probability stock picks each week. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.